It's Lonnie with Crafty Traveler, and this is my husband, Ernie. And today we're going to talk about...
Wait a minute. Have I got something for you?
What? Oh, you give me the sexiest gifts.
Well, you know.
So today we're going to talk about my new gift. It's an oil filter wrench, and Ernie got it on Amazon. It's about $16. When I was at my camp out this past weekend with my girlfriends, I had a really hard time undoing the cap of my sewer connection. And so I had to have someone help me because my strength just isn't that great anymore. So he bought this, and I've practiced a couple times, and it is not very hard to do with this. So I wrap it around the connection. And I have to get those little teeth in there. And then I can loosen that cap. Of course, you always want to wear gloves. And we're pretty sure our tank is empty, but we put this pan down here just in case. So that's how easy it is to use this. Now, to put the cap back on, I can reach under here and put it on, and then to tighten it, I put the wrench back on and turn it clockwise. There. And it's clicked in there. So, for those of you who don't have very good grip anymore, this might be the answer to helping you get your sewer cap off. And it should be able to use it to connect my two sewer hoses if I need it as well. And you notice I'm sitting on my stool, which I did a previous video of that, and I'll link that above. And I'll link the site on Amazon below where you can buy this. So again, anybody that has a weak grip, this might be the answer. That's another crafty hint from Crafty Traveler. Stay crafty. I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more crafty hints, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.